Today I'm just going to give you a brief overview of the tools that you would find inside of a CAT-TOOLKIT. That's our code. So we obviously have our crimping tool over here for RJ45. We have a small Phillips screwdriver. We have these two heads here, and they fit inside of this chrome tool. We have a tester that just tests the continuity of the cable, and we have a stripping tool. And very nice and neat, we have a little jack where we can put all the jacks and all the boots for the cable. So all in all, this toolkit is quite comprehensive. It's what you're going to need when you're starting to do networks. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to get in touch with us. We'll do our best to assist you. Have a great day.